Okay guys, in this project we will make chocolate paste only use two ingredients.
That's right. How to make it is so easy and simple. Okay, let's check it out.
First, the ingredients which used is sweetened condensed milk and cocoa powder.
Second, pour the sweet condensed milk into a small saucepan.
Third, cooking the sweetened condensed milk till change color.
Next, enter the sweet condensed milk into a small container.
Then, enter little by little cocoa powder into container which contains the sweetened condensed milk earlier and stir till dark little clouds. Don't forget to filter the cocoa powder before enter into the container.
After that, enter the dough into container which has been filled with plastic. Then spread the dough.
Enter the dough pot in the refrigerator for a few hours at medium temperature.
Here comes the chocolate paste.
Open the plastic which there is space and move it into the medium plate. Wow! This is the result, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.